My name is Adam Erhart, and welcome to Modern Marketing Minute. On this episode, is putting all your eggs in one basket a good marketing strategy? Clock is ticking. Alright, so there's a lot of conflicting schools of thought out there, especially on the internet and pretty much on any subject we're talking about, whether it's diet or finance or of course, marketing. And one of those is, should you really hunker down on one strategy, or should you diversify and have a whole bunch of different options? Well, I'm here today to tell you there is no one size fits all, and I've got a repertoire of both good and bad experiences following both of those two completely different strategies. But if I had to choose, and if I had to recommend just one strategy for you to try, this would be it. When trying to decide whether to hone in on one specific tactic or whether to spread yourself out, there is a right way to do it, and that is to start small but think big. So start with one offer. Start with one traffic source, one funnel, and one marketing system. Really dial that in until it is humming seamlessly and you can't really scale it anymore. And then, and only then, is it time to start looking at a second, a third, or a fourth different addition to your marketing. So to stick with the cliche of all your eggs in one basket, what you want to do is you really do want to put all your eggs in that one basket and then very carefully guard that basket. But eventually you're going to have too many eggs and you're going to need a second basket or things are going to get messy.